In this tutorial we will guide you through the mechanical setup of your vector extensometer. The setup may differ depending on your UTM. In this video we will be using a dual column frame with T-slots in the covers. Please ensure that before you proceed with the setup that you have read and understood the user manual. If you are unsure about any points, or have any questions, reach out to your sales representative. Vector will always come in two boxes. These contain the extensometers and the standard mounting kit. There can also be a third optional box containing the extension arm. The first step is to mount the standard mounting kit to the test frame. For this you will need the UTM slide rail, 4 T-nuts and bolts from the standard mounting kit box, and the hex key from the vector extensometer box. If you require round column adapters, please contact your vector representative. Identify the appropriate mounting holes on the UTM slide rail that are suitable for your test frame. Next, take the 4 T-nuts and bolts. Slide a bolt through the appropriate mounting hole in each corner of the UTM slide rail. On the back, loosely attach a T-nut to each. Once all 4 bolts and T-nuts are in place, guide the UTM slide rail onto your test frame column. Ensure the T-nuts pass into the slots on the test frame, and the end stop bolts are at the bottom of the UTM slide rail. Use the hex key to tighten each bolt. Next, take the mounting stub with clamp from the standard mounting kit box. Open the clamp and slide it onto the UTM slide rail. Once at the desired height, tighten the clamp. The clamping force applied can be adjusted by rotating the clamp. For the third step, take the vector extensometer, mounting intermediary and bolts from the vector extensometer box. Select the appropriate side of the extensometer. There are 3 mounting positions on each side. Use these for roughly setting the height. Align the mounting intermediary, and using the 2 bolts fix this to the extensometer. Ensure not to exceed the torque limit of 7 Nm when tightening. The mounting system is highly configurable. Vector can be mounted to either the left or right hand UTM column. Please ensure that the intermediary is attached to the correct side of the vector unit to facilitate this. If you are using the optional extension arm, attach this to the mounting stub by opening the clamp and sliding it on. Tighten the clamp to fix it in place. Then, slide the extensometer, complete with mounting intermediary onto the extension arm. When initially mounting the extensometer, please be aware that this will be intentionally tight and may require some additional force. When using the optional extension arm, note that this is pre-configured to be mounted onto the left side column of a test frame. To change this for mounting on the right column, open the clamp and slide out the extension arm. Rotate the mounting axle and slide the extension arm back in. The final step is to attach the cabling. For this you will need the appropriate IEC C13 for your region, the AC to DC power adapter, Ethernet cable and combined power and data cable from the vector extensometer box. Connect the C13 cable to the power adapter and connect to main supply. Connect the power adapter to the combined power and data cable. Be sure not to power vector on yet. Then connect the combined power and data cable, together with the Ethernet cable to the base of your extensometer. Connect the BNC cable from the combined power and data cable to your test frame strain input. Additional adapters may be required for this. Finally, connect the Ethernet cable to the PC controlling the test frame. You will now have completed the mechanical setup of your vector extensometer. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Further training videos and information can be found by accessing the Emetrum support portal using the above address. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us by raising a support ticket.